Hey Siri, get me directions out of this swamp.
Where would you like to go out of the swamp?
Out of the swamp, just out of the swamp.
I'm afraid I don't know where that is.
Just pick a destination that isn't infested by crocodiles. Yeah, very funny, Siri.
I'm afraid there's a crocodile nearby.
Siri, where's the nearest crocodile drop-off centre?
I'm afraid I can't find anything about crocodile drop-off center.
Hey Siri, what part of humans taste best?
It has to recognise my voice.
Hey Siri, which part of humans tastes best?
Oh, come on, I don't say.
I found this on the web. The part of humans that tastes best is the thighs.
Hey Siri, where's the nearest hospital? Siri, why would you not mention this when I ask where the nearest crocodile drop-off centre is?
I'm afraid I can't find anything about crocodile drop-off center.